Hello everyone, welcome back to Design and UX channel. I am Priya, I am a UX design student. As a design student, when we are graduating from any certification, any boot camp or any other design degree, we might excited to applying for internship roles to get a real world experience on working with real world design projects. But when we are graduating from any design degree or any design program, we might not know about how to apply for internships and what to prepare for internships. Since today in this video I'm excited to talk about how I'm preparing for my internships, and I will share with you my tips and tricks to prepare for internships. So let's get started. Before applying for any UX jobs, we must be ready with our portfolio and resume, because when we are applying for any internship applications, they ask us to submit your portfolio link as well as a resume. Also create LinkedIn profile or update our profile with the latest projects or education, because through the LinkedIn we can create new connections. My first preference is to work with my portfolio website. This is huge task for me to work. I have to take care of every single thing related to my portfolio. Since I was thinking about what to include in my portfolio, then I have created documents and started writing content one by one. Creating a document is not necessary for everyone, but this is my personal interest to create document, since I can get a clear idea on what I am looking for in my portfolio. Our portfolio is a website that demonstrates our design case studies. Designer's self-description, resume link also mainly contains our title that indicates who we are and what we are looking for and what we can do. Then we have to decide about the design case studies that we want to showcase in our portfolio. For example, if we are looking for UX design role, then we have to give a title related to UX designer, like dedicated to create a better experiences for users. Or if we are looking for user researcher and UX design role both, so we have to include design case studies related to user research as well as UX design case study. Now we have to work with our resume. I am looking for internship roles, since I am including my college design case studies in my resume, my contact details and skills and methods. This video is all about my interview preparation and planning, since I am focusing on my preparation. I will create another video of working with my portfolio website as well as a resume. Now I am ready with my portfolio and my resume. Let's move on to next steps. Now the next step of a preparation is working with the basic behavioral and UX subject related questions and answers. Practice UX design methods with multiple examples. To prepare behavioral questions, I have researched online and I found a number of questions with answers and the author's tips on the how to nail answers as per our skills. These behavioral questions are most important because any interview start with the behavioral questions and they jump into subject related questions. Since I have listed a behavioral questions for UX design internships, here is a list of questions. Tell me about yourself. Why do you want to work at this company? How did you hear about this position? Why do you want this job? Why should we hire you? What is your greatest strengths? And what is your greatest weakness? What is your greatest professional achievement? Tell me about a challenge or a conflict you have faced at work and how you deal with it. Tell me about a time you demonstrated leadership skills. What's the time you disagreed with a decision that was made at work? Tell me about a time you made a mistake. Tell me about a time you failed. What type of work environment do you prefer? What's your management style? How do you deal with pressure or stressful situations? How do you prioritize your work? What are you passionate about? What motivates you? What is your dream job? What other companies are you interviewing with? These are behavioral questions I have prepared for my interview and created a document to narrate and nail my answers as per my skills and my abilities and my experience while I was learning. Now I am ready with my behavioral questions, and now I am working with core UX design questions and answers. I am focusing on user research and user experience design as well as a visual design internships, since I am focusing on a subject related to my role. But in the interviews, the hiring managers or hiring people don't ask directly questions on subject, since sometimes we have to prepare questions and answers both. Here is a couple of questions. What is the difference between UX and UI? What makes UX design different from other design disciplines? What is the UX process? What it is, what it looks like, and why it's important? What is user research? What are the different user research that you may follow while you are working in design case studies? Tell me about your most latest successful UX design project. How do you go about working with other designers and developers on a project? Tell me about some of your favorite examples of good UX. What kind of research methods do you use? How do you respond to negative feedback? Where do you find inspiration? These are just a simple few questions related to UX design and UX research. When we read books, then we get a more clear idea on different subject related questions and answers. Now let's talk about another important UX design internship preparation practice different UX design methods with different examples. Since doing this, we can get more ideas on working with UX design projects or design challenges. So create a schedule to prepare for the UX design methods with examples and start practicing from right now. Another step on the interview preparation is to be ready to present and explain our design case studies from our portfolio website. So, when the interviewer asks us to present any design case study from our portfolio, we can explain them and as well as we can answer their questions during the interview. Working with design challenges. Our final step of the interview preparation is practice on design challenges. First, we have to know what is the design challenge and why the interviewer asks during the interview process. A design challenge articulates the problem you are trying to solve. During the interview process, the interviewer gives us a design challenge and asks us to solve it. During this process, the interviewers can know our ability, critical thinking, and our design process to solve design problems. These design challenges are three different categories. First, whiteboard design challenge, on-site design challenge, and take-home exercises. Also, critique on application. Whiteboard design challenge is a design challenge where the interviewer can ask the designer to solve a problem. This is a live session, so in this process, we have to understand design challenges and solve design problem in front of hiring team. Design challenges steps by steps and giving explanations and collaboration on why we are making decisions on each and every step, and finally we have to explain entirely how we solve. On-site design challenges. In the on-site design challenge, interviewers give a problem and provide approximately 1 hour time in a peaceful environment and solve it. Once we are done with our solution, we have to represent our design solution in front of interview team. Take home exercise. In this design challenge, the interviewers ask us to create a high visual design solution for a design problem, and we have to solve and send complete documents and files related to the solutions. Since whenever we are working on any design challenge, we have to design a basic framework to solve the design challenge. For example, I have created my framework on working with any design challenges. But we have to keep in mind that as per the design problem, sometimes we might change or edit our framework to solve a design challenge. Now it's time to know about the critique on applications. App Critic is one of the easier interviews you'll encounter when interviewing for a product design role. Unlike the take-home exercise or whiteboard interview, we don't have to create something from scratch. The product critic includes, or we have to consider these tips while giving product critic. What's the experience of getting started or signing up? How does this app explain itself in the first minute? How easy to use the app? How did you feel while exploring the app? Did the app deliver on your expectations? How long did you spend using the app? So, in my upcoming videos, I will talk about how to create a design framework and work on design challenges as well as working on UX design methods and app critic with a plenty of different examples. This is how I have created my interview preparation plan and gathered key insights on information to start prepare and planning for my UX design internship to land my dream job. I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you have any questions and suggestions, please comment below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so you will never miss any latest updated videos on design and UX. In my upcoming video, I am going to work on a design challenge. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.